Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you how you can get money on Cash App. So in order to get money or to receive money on Cash App, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, make sure that your application is completely up to date. Now to begin with, first thing first, you have to just follow the instruction. That is, you'll need to share your cash tag. So your cash tag is a unique identification associated with your Cash App account. So sharing this cash tag with the person who intend to send you money, they can enter your cash tag in their Cash App to send you funds directly as well, or otherwise you can also request the person to send in money. So what you can do is, if you have a person contact saved on your phone, you can request money from them within the Cash App. All you have to do is just open the app, select the person from your contact, and then enter the amount you want to request and click the request button. As soon as you do that, the request will be sent and he or she will be notified about the queries. And apart from it, you can also generate QR code. That is, Cash App also allows you to generate QR code linking to your account, so the sender can scan this QR code from the Cash App to send you money as well. So in order to enable QR code, you can see in the top left hand side corner there's this square icon. Just tap on it and after that swipe up, you'll be able to find your QR code. If you're expecting regular payment from an employer or any other sources, you can set up direct deposit to receive money directly into your Cash App account as well. So if you have a Cash App card, you can also share your card details for someone to send money through the Cash App, and you can withdraw it through nearby ATMs or retailer store. So once someone sends you money through Cash App, it is usually reflects in your Cash App balance instantly. Always ensure you're sharing accurate details to receive money smoothly. So in this way you can receive money on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.